Hi, this is Jay from Kolstad Property. Today we're going to be showing you a beautiful townhouse that's very well located here in Torrevieja. As you can see, we're starting off in the communal areas. You have a beautiful large swimming pool that's surrounded by natural grass. This beautiful oasis for relaxation. So come with me to see the property. The property has two entrances. Here you have the main entrance from the main street, which comes into this nice, charming and sunny garden. Here you will access the property directly into the living room. And the second entrance is from the communal areas, which goes into a sunny backyard, which has a large storage unit and it connects directly to the kitchen. On the ground floor, you will find a spacious living room with large windows that let in plenty of natural light. There is also a kitchen and a separate laundry room conveniently arranged for comfortable everyday life. On the first floor, you will find two spacious double bedrooms as well as a nice bathroom. From one of the bedrooms, there is a staircase that leads further up to a third bedroom. The home also offers two sunny terraces with good sun conditions on both sides, perfect for enjoying both morning and evening sun. The home is sold fully furnished and equipped. Air conditioning has been installed in all rooms and the entire home has new security windows as well as good ventilation solutions that ensure high comfort all year round. The property is located in a quiet and sought-after area with a short distance to everything you need. Here you are close to supermarkets, restaurants, health centres, pharmacies, etc. and only about 10-minute walk to both beaches and the city centre. So contact us today if you want some more information about the property or if you want to book in a viewing. Your home in the sun awaits you. Contact us now.